you have what a lot of people ask me to advise them to plant, which is a lot of native stuff, which is great. So you just got here a couple months ago, and the people before you planted a lot of great stuff. So I'm going to point it out, okay? So you've got asters, garden phlox, okay, black-eyed Susans. Then you've got anise hyssop here, more black-eyed Susans, more asters, more garden phlox, a lot more of the asters. Also in here you've got mums, perennial hardy mums, all the iris, some lilies. You've got roses, you've got then the panicle hydrangeas here. I think this one can stay if you try to keep this small. That one has to go. I think it's like 2 feet from the path. It's just too much. So, but I would say this is all great. What you do for cleanup is almost nothing. Just leave it all fall, because birds, insects, taking advantage of it for habitat or food over the winter. Then in the spring you go in as late as you can possibly wait and cut it down to like this high off the ground or something like that. And then everything grows in and fills in, and that's it. That's all you need to do. Touch it once. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.